Hey everybody, it's Aunt Cathy. I'm doing a little blog video today. This is a pillow cover in the chickadee design. It's got a navy background on it and then those really cute chickadees on the front. And on the back it's got a red band and a button closure, and it's made like an envelope. And to put it in and out, all you have to do is turn this top back like that, and then you can take your pillow form out or put it back in, and then when you put it back in you just flip it back and button it like that. Now the seams on this are fully finished inside with French seams, and then of course it's got tagging on it, and that's that one. And then this one is for a customer. The other one's my prototype. They're trying to figure out how to do it. This one is on a black and white gingham check, and it is cute, cute, cute. These little chickadees on the front in a oval shape applique on the front, and then it's got a red band and a button closure on the back. And this one, since the other one was my prototype, this one's got all the tagging in it. And the artist of the chickadee is Ethan Coker, so he's got a tag in there. And of course this is finished completely on the inside, so you can wash it and it'll stay nice for you for a good long while. And that finished out at, let's see if I got yardstick here. This thing finished out at about 10 by 13 and a half. So it's a nice little pillow, and we'll be starting to carry these little pillows, the covers for them, and it fits in a little pillow about that size that you can make easily at home. And that's our little blog post for today. And thank you, and bye-bye.